Lagay mo to dun kay Ate Mia. Bilis. Lagay mo kay Ate Mia. Kay Ate Mia, punta ka muna doon.
But I just wanted to come forthright about, the whole breast situation. And the reason why I kind of denied it was because...
They're not real.
No, of course not. It was just a foolish decision at a young age.
At the judging panel, the host announces this season's prizes: a contract with Elite Model Management, 17 magazine covers, and a $100,000 contract with CoverGirl Cosmetics. Judges Nigel Barker, supermodel Paulina, and guest judge Chirina begin critiquing the hot air balloon photo shoot. Annalie's photo was beautiful but lacks commitment. Her expression looks like she's thinking rather than entering a dream. Samantha appears bulky due to the shiny fabric, though her pose is acceptable. Hannah has interesting angles but a stiff expression. Nikisha's critique is controversial. The judges call her too thin, bluntly saying her limbs are like pipe cleaners, and the dress looks like a paper bag on her, requiring retouching to make her arms and legs appear larger. Fortunately, her beautiful face saves the shot. Lauren Bree stuns everyone. Her broken doll pose could rival a Dior or Louis Vuitton ad. Marjorie shows her chameleon quality, looking like a completely different person with the wig. Challenge winner Elena controls the shot perfectly, with a presence reminiscent of Angelina Jolie. At the end of judging, Sheena suddenly steps forward to admit she lied about her breast implants, confessing it was a foolish decision from her youth. The judges appreciate her honesty, believing telling the truth deserves more respect.
I'm sorry, are your breasts fake? No, ma'am. They're just really big. Don't sit right with me, and I can't, go back without getting this off my mind or off my chest. But I just wanted to come forthright about, the whole breast situation. And the reason why I kind of denied it was because...
They're not real.
No, of course not. It was just a foolish decision at a young age.
At the judging panel, the host announces this season's prizes: a contract with Elite Model Management, 17 magazines.
김현재가 연승제 레스토랑에
Kung namamaho yung panin, tapos
Nagka-turtle na sila dito, oh. Hoy, kanina to! Tinatay, ako wala po muna po, eh. Purple kayo, tapos hindi nyo alam yung obligasyon ninyo. Lagi ninyo pinakain ninyo, red ka, naka-purple pa. Pati pagdalaw sa kakampi, di nyo magawa. Ano pa, si Alice Go, dating nakatira sa farm? Ito?
ano ang ginagawa sa isang trampoline?
Tumatalon?
Correct. Ano ang panghalip sa pangungusap na ito? Masarap ang ulam namin kanina.
Tuldo? Panghalip?
Tuldok? Wrong. Sinong santo ang kilala bilang patron of lost items or things?
OMG.
40 ka na pala?
40 na ako, boss.
Grabe, wala sa itsura. Wala sa itsura.
Ano itsura?
51, tama. 51. Ay, sasayaw pa yan eh.
Ayaw ng 40.
Oo nga, ito yung take two mo. 40, Kaloy. Grabe.
Mama's best child actor. Ilan taong ka nun?
Mga 14 po. 13, 14, ganun,
13,
boss.
14. Ito, yung sama mo si Ate B.
Ito ba yung first movie mo, Kaloy?
Hindi eh. Ang first movie ko is with Tom Cos. Playmates lang kami sa SETI. Yung iba sa kanila, hindi na nila alam yung SETI.
Ang Mutik Prinsipe ko yun. Said